I installed a MRCOOL DIY in my garage 2 years ago. I am pleased with the unit and want to quickly share my experience, tips for installing, and extra items you may need. I did have an issue with my unit and a costly repair that you can avoid. Overall, I am very impressed with the performance. It cools and heats well. I was concerned about how well it heats in the cold weather, and it provides plenty of good heat even in negative temps. It took me about a day to install, including setting the pad for the unit, but electrical was already set up. Take your time with the install and fully read the instructions first. Have a plan for the pad where the outdoor unit sits. Also recommend some extra mounting isolators, mounting bolts or screws, spray foam, and a hole saw for the install. I did have a line leak after a year and a half, and it was an expensive repair. I highly recommend getting tools to torque the lines to spec, like a crow's foot wrench and a torque wrench. Use the crow's foot at 90 degrees to your torque wrench to avoid over tightening. Even with those added items and my line repair, it still has been significantly cheaper than having a mini split professionally installed. For the hose through the wall, the putty they provide wasn't really enough to fully cover the hole. That's why spray foam is helpful. Try to get the best length line set where you don't have any additional coiled up behind the unit, and even put the outside unit in an area to avoid the coiling line set. The line cover also keeps things looking clean. Good luck on the install. It has really turned my garage into extra usable space for me.